The error code F5 E3 on a KitchenAid appliance indicates a fault with the lower oven door lock mechanism or associated wiring. This issue can be caused by broken or loose wiring, a damaged door latch assembly, or a faulty door switch. To resolve this problem, start by resetting the power to the appliance. Disconnect the unit from the power supply by turning off the circuit breaker and wait at least a minute. While the unit is disconnected, inspect the lower oven door latch for any physical damage, such as broken parts or loose wiring, and replace any damaged wires. Once the inspection is complete, reconnect the unit to the power supply and turn it on, monitoring it for a few minutes to see if the issue persists. If the problem continues, it may be necessary to replace the door switch or the door latch assembly. In cases where the issue is more complex, it is recommended to contact a professional repair service for further inspection and repair.